Walang personalan ha. Nabalitaan ko lang talaga na mayaman yung pamilya mo kaya kita kinidnap.
Oh, can you say kidnap?
Huwag mo akong pinagtitripan dyan, marami akong kasama.
Oh, so you're with friends. How about we sing one little, two little, three little engines, four little, five little, six little...
Itigil na natin tong kalokohan na to. Ipapatubos na kita sa parents mo.
Parents! Oh, can you say mama? What's your favorite color? I'm guessing blue. Can you spell blue? Let me spell blue for you. That's B-L-U-E. Blue!
Lumabas ka na! Ayaw na kitang kidnapin. Nagbago na yung isip ko!
You want me to go?
Yeah!
How about we sing a goodbye song before
No!
I leave? Goodbye.
No!
Goodbye.
No!
Goodbye, my old friend. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.